Hi everyone! Before I introduce myself, my name is Dewi Sonia. You can be called Dewi. I am a student from IKIP Siliwangi Class B2 Non-Regular PGSD Study Program 2022 with name 2206037. Okay friends, here I will show the teaching module created by Siska Indriani as home. Let's get right to the first part. Modul Ajar Bahasa Inggris by Siska Indriani as home. English Teaching Module. A. General Information. 1. School Identity. School name, subject, PASE or class, domain or topic, CP dimension, time allocation, semester or academic year, and Siska Indriani as home. 2. Initial competency. 1. Students have initial knowledge about short text types and are able to read information in English well and correctly. 2. Participants have sufficient understanding about constructing sentence in present tense and past tense properly and correctly. 3. Pancasila student profile. 1. Have white, be devout to good, all might and have noble character. 2. Critical reasoning. And 3. Independent. Next, work together and creative. 4. Facilities and infrastructure, learning and media, tools or materials, laptops, LCD projector, smartboard, smartphone, speaker, whiteboard, and presentation slide. 5. Target students. Students with English language skill at level A2 B1. Next, 6. Learning models or method. Project based learning PGBL by optimizing TPACK. The second part. 1. Material to be studied. Short transitional text, online review, language features for writing online reviews. 2. Learning objectives. Students can find information related to short functional text online review through reading activities correctly. Students can create a short functional text online review through group discussion activities using online application in a clear and interesting way. Students can present short functional text online review that have been made through spoken language well. And students can evaluate short functional text online review and provide feedback through good presentation activities. 3. Understanding meaningful. After studying informal online review texts, students can critique similar texts and present them well to other students. And then in questions. Next, C. Learning activities. Stage, teacher activities, students activities, and allocation time. 1. Preparation or orientation. 10 minutes. A perception, allocation time 5 minutes. Next, core. Phase 1. Determine basic question, allocation time 5 minutes. Phase 2. Design product, planning and preparing manufacturing schedule, allocation time 10 minutes. Phase 3. Monitoring lifelines and development project, allocation time 10 minutes. Phase 4. Testing result, allocation time 10 minutes, and puzzle 5, evaluation learning experience, allocation time 5 minutes. Next, closing, evaluation and follow-up plan, allocation time 5 minutes. Next, D, assessment, attitude assessment. 1. Time done during learning. 2. Preparation, prepare an attitude assessment rubric form. 3. Implementation during learning. And 4. Follow-up. If there is a problem, invite students to discuss it. Next, formative assessment, assessment of work, result, and presentation. 1. Time done during learning. 2. Preparation, prepare work and presentation assessment rubric forms. 3. Implementation during learning and follow-up, processing the assessment result. Next, E. Enrichment and remedials. V. Teacher reflection. And G. Students reflection. Furthermore, AIDS, appendix, LKPD, glossary and bibliography. Assessment. 1. Attitude. Observation assessment is based on observing students' attitude and behavior during and process learning. Direct observation is carried out by the teacher. The following is an example of an assessment instrument. Attitude. Know student name, relate aspect, active creative collaboration, amount score, score attitude, and code mark. Rubric. Indicators of an activity, attitude in learning. 1. It is not good if you show that you do not take part in learning at all. 2. Sufficient if it shows there is a little effort to take part in learning but not yet study. 3. It is good if it shows that there has been an effort to take part in learning but not yet study. 4. It is very good if you show that you have taken part in completing the group assignment, continuous and study, or consistently. 1. Is it not good if you do not try to cooperative at all in group activities? 2. Sufficient if it so there is little effort to cooperative in group activities but still not study. 3. Is it good if it shows that there has been an effort to collaborate in group activities but still not study? 4. Is it very good to show an effort to collaborate in group activities, continuous and steady? Attitude journal. Number, date, student's name, notes, current behavior learning, attitude items, and age carry on. The second part, student's worksheet LKPD 1. Name of education unit and subject, class or semester, subject matter, and element. Group name, class, and group members. Next, student worksheet LKPD 2. Name of education unit, subject, class or semester, subject matter, element. Group name, class, group member. There is student worksheet LKPD 3-4. Name of education unit, subject, class or semester, subject matter, element, and group name, class, group members. Here there is work assessment rubric. 1. Assessment criteria creative. 2. Visual design. 3. Suitability. 4. Purpose. 5. Engagement of content and expected points. Next, use of language elements and points award total points. Next, presentation assessment rubric. Student name, presentation title, grading criteria, content 5D, and then grading criteria, presentation 5D points. Next, level of active participation of students in learning. Date and time, topic, number, stage, student activities, and then scale. 1. Phase 1. Learner orientation to the problem. 2. Phase 2. Organizing student activity. 3. Phase 3. Guiding the investigation. 4. Phase 4. Develop and present. 5. Phase 5. Analyze and evaluate the process and result solution to problem. And then information. 0. No student did. 1. Few students do it. 2. Some students do. 3. Almost all students do. 4. All students did. Next, instrument for assessing student activity and providing feedback. Green. Select student, achievement, date and time of event, place of event, additional info. Every student will provide constructive feedback on the result of the presentation. Other students will be given green cards. Next, teacher reflection journal. School name, teacher name. At this stage, I will reflect on the learning activities in class that have carried out from the beginning to the end of the lesson by answering the following triangle question. 1. Can the learning activities that I have carried out encourage student involvement in learning? 2. Are the learning steps I take in accordance with the learning style that have compiled in the teaching module? 3. How do students respond to the learning strategies that appear? 4. What about media and the application of technology in learning? Student reflection journal. At the end of the lesson, students are asked to reflect on the learning that has been carried out by answering the following reading question. 1. What did you master most during your studies? 2. What things have you not mastered in this lesson? 3. Which activity do you think is the most memorable or most liked? 4. What is it your next target after things? Next, there is action, implementation, observation, sheet. School, teacher name, stage learning, syntax learning, activity description, implementation stability, and notes. Introduction, orientation, paper caption. Phase 1. Determine basic question. Core. Phase 3. Designing, planning, product, and prepare. Manufacturing schedule. Phase 3. Monitoring, lifelines, and final. Phase 4. Develop and present result. Phase 5. Analyze and evaluate the process and result. And then closing. Okay everyone, maybe that's all I can say about the teaching module. I hope what I say can be useful for all of you. See you again.